Suck him right back here. I'm going to heal him. I'm going to move him down here. I'm going to smack your heavy. Whap! Alright. Yeah, go.
Thanks.
You found it, Felix. Good job. Remember, it went on this side.
I see you, Daddy.
You do? Uh-oh. Right over here. It went on this side. That one goes there. You had that one right. You had this right, Felix. Right like that. Now try this one on this side. On this side. Line up the guys. Line up the sleeping people. There you go. Almost done.
I see another one of you.
You do? You got 3 more activations.
I still have one.
Why don't you see if you can find the pieces of blue that go on here? That'll be easier, Felix. See, there's going to be some blue here, and there's going to be some blue here.